Okay, so topic name is preparation and standardization of various molar and normal solutions. And as per your syllabus, what are that we have to see? What means what are the examples we have to go through the preparation and standardization? So first one is oxalic acid, then sodium hydroxide, hydrochloric acid, sodium thiosulfate, sulfuric acid, potassium permanganate, and ferric ammonium sulfate. So out of all these, I have selected some 5, okay, which are available in Indian Pharmacopoeia. Although some are also given apart from the this 5 in Indian Pharmacopoeia. So मैं कौन कौन से cover करने वाला हूँ? Okay. So first one is a sodium hydroxide, second one is a sodium thiosulfate, third one is a sulfuric acid, fourth is a potassium permanganate, and fifth one is a ferric ammonium sulfate. Okay. So I am going to cover the preparation and standardization of only these 5 substances or compounds. So first is a sodium hydroxide, then sodium thiosulfate, then potassium permanganate and ferric ammonium sulfate. ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं विथ फर्स्ट वन सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. नाउ सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल बिफोर सेइंग एनीथिंग, आपको ये सब चीज़ें कहाँ से पढ़नी है, तो दैट यू शुड रेफर ओनली द स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स. ओके, एंड स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स में सबसे पहली जो बुक आती है दैट इज़ इंडियन फार्माकोपिया. The second one is practical pharmaceutical analysis by Beckett and Stenlick, volume 1. Third, which I recommend you, is quantitative analytical chemistry by author A.I. Vogel. Okay, तो ये 3 बुक है जो मैं आपको रिकमेंड करता हूँ. ये 3 बुक आप रेफ़र कर सकते हैं अगर आपको कुछ ऐसे प्रिपरेशन एंड स्टैंडर्डाइजेशन के प्रोसीजर चाहिए तो. ठीक है, तो as per the Indian Pharmacopoeia, first of all, how we can go for the preparation of 1 molar sodium hydroxide. So the procedure recommended by Indian Pharmacopoeia is dissolve 42 gram of sodium hydroxide in a sufficient carbon dioxide free water to produce 1000 ml. So that is the procedure. Okay, तो क्या कहता है Indian Pharmacopoeia? You have to weigh 42 gram of the sodium hydroxide and that to be dissolved in sufficient carbon dioxide free water to produce 1000 ml. तो इस तरीके की अगर आप प्रोसीजर फॉलो करेंगे, द सॉल्यूशन विच यू विल गेट इज नथिंग बट गोइंग टू बी अप्रॉक्सिमेटली 1 मोलर sodium hydroxide. Now all of you know sodium hydroxide is secondary standard. It can be used as a secondary standard. So after the preparation you have to go for the standardization procedure. Okay, and even after preparation it says that it should be stored in a bottle with a well fitted suitable stopper which prevent access to atmospheric carbon dioxide, because if the sodium hydroxide comes in contact with the atmosphere, it will absorb the carbon dioxide, or the carbon dioxide may neutralize that sodium hydroxide solution, and in that way what will happen, what is the impact of that atmosphere, it will reduce the strength of the sodium hydroxide. जो सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड आप 1 मोलर बनाना चाहते हो सकता है उससे कम हो जाए. ठीक है, solutions of the lower concentration are prepared by quantitatively diluting the accurately measured volume of 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide with a sufficient carbon dioxide free water to give a desired concentration. So what happens, sometimes it is recommended rather than preparing a 1 molar sodium hydroxide, you should prepare a 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide. You should prepare 0.5 molar sodium hydroxide. So ideally क्या कहता है इंडियन फार्माकोपिया कि हमेशा always you have to prepare this 1 molar sodium hydroxide, and after preparing this 1 molar sodium hydroxide you have to dilute that solution with a sufficient quantity of water to achieve the desired concentration. So for example आपने 1000 ml 1 molar sodium hydroxide प्रिपेयर कर दिया इन वॉल्यूमेट्रिक फ्लास्क. नाउ आपके टीचर ने कहा कि क्या करो बेटा 1.1 molar sodium hydroxide बनाओ. So what you will do, you will take out some quantity from that 1000 ml of 1 molar sodium hydroxide and dilute with sufficient water. तो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा, you will get 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide. So in this case हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, 1 molar already है. If you take 1 ml from that 1000 ml and dilute it up to 10 ml, तो आपका जो solution तैयार होता है वो 0.1 molar sodium hydroxide होता है. Let me explain this to you again. So what is the ideal procedure? 42 gram of NaOH, that to be dissolved in sufficient CO2 free water to produce 1000 ml. ये कौन सी प्रोसीजर हो गई?